Welcome back to the 30 Days of Gratitude Challenge. Before we get started, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tools to become your best self. Let's begin. In this 30 Days of Gratitude Challenge, I'll prompt you with a different topic to ponder each day for your gratitude practice. After I reveal today's journal prompt, remember to just write freely and allow yourself to explore many different avenues. There are no right or wrong answers because everything you write is coming from you. Don't worry about spelling, punctuations, or being grammatically correct. Just focus on exploring your thoughts and emotions. You might uncover insights about yourself that might surprise you. Day 18. Gratitude for the 5 senses. For today's journal prompt, think of at least 5 things that you're grateful for when it comes to each of the 5 senses. List 5 sounds, sights, smells, flavors, and sensations that you are grateful for. You might include the smell of an orange, or the taste of Rocky Road ice cream, or perhaps the view of the morning sky as the sun kisses the earth. Time starts now. Minutes. Keep up the great work. 4 minutes in. Five minutes is now up. If you're struggling to write, or if you're crunched for time, feel free to put your pen down now. Otherwise, keep writing. And most importantly, don't stop if you're in a flow. Minutes left. Don't stop, you're doing great. 1 minute left. Time's up. How'd you do? Great job for sticking it out and working towards self-improvement. Thanks for watching the 30 Days of Gratitude Challenge. Be sure to come back to my channel tomorrow for the next journal prompt to help spark more gratitude and compassion in your life. See you then.